Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to denoise in InShot. If you have noisy background and you want to remove the noise from your background, I'm gonna show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the InShot app on your phone and choose the video option. Here, click on New to create a new project. Now here, choose the video that has background noise and click here to add it to your timeline. Now to remove the background noise or to denoise, simply click on Audio and select the video, and here you'll see the option of denoise. Click on it and now click here to add the denoise. This will remove the background noise from your video and make your video better. And now if you play it, hello everyone, this is an example of how to denoise in InShot. I hope this video will help you guys to denoise your videos. As you can hear, my audio is clear and there is no background noise in it. And since I'm happy with the audio, I'll click here to save changes. And just like that, we have denoised the video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.